weighing out a person's character. How to tell if someone's just being grumpy, but you're cool. Or if they're a fundamentally stubborn, difficult, disrespectful type of person. Is this person just being a little or do they seriously have no respect for my feelings? How to tell? Because if they don't respect your feelings, they are never going to respect your feelings. Does it seem like they ever truly consider anything that you say? Your opinions, your ideas, your beliefs. Does it seem like they really want to follow anything that you do or say? Or are they just entrenched in their own deal? But at the same time, they're constantly coming to you for advice and da-da-da. But they never apply anything you say to... Why are you even asking me if you're just going to argue with me? Why are they even asking you if they're just going to argue with everything you say? Just go away then, type thing, okay? Just, if you know it all, why are you in my face? Right? Weird. So how to tell? Is this person just a little off? Are they just